welcome back to Asifaki Fun World. Okay guys, today I'm gonna teach you about a chapter named Motion and Time. Okay, for that chapter, first we need to know what is motion. A motion, if an object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to time. For example, a car moving in a straight road. If an object is at rest, then an object is said to be at rest if it does not change its position with time. For example, a man standing on a ground. There are basically three types of motions: rectilinear motion, circular motion, and periodic motion. Periodic motion is also called as oscillatory motion. So, what is rectilinear motion? An object moves in a straight line with respect to time is called rectilinear motion. For example, a car moving in a straight road. And a circular motion. What is circular motion? And when a body moves in the shape of a circle at a fixed point and a fixed radius, is called circular motion. For example, planets moving around the sun. Motion of a planet is a circular motion. What is periodic motion? Do you know, guys? I'll tell you. What's periodic motion? The motion of a body repeats after a fixed intervals of time is called periodic motion. For example, to and from motion of a simple pendulum is an example for periodic motion or oscillatory motion. So, there are two more motions: uniform motion and non-uniform motion. What is uniform motion? An object moving along a straight line with a constant speed is called uniform motion. For example, a car moving in a straight road. What is non-uniform motion? An object moving along a straight road without a constant speed. That means it does not move in a constant speed. It changes its speed with respect to time. For example, motion of a train. So, there are distance time graph. Distance time graph is plotted between distance and time. Distance time graph. If distance time graph moves in a straight line, then the object is moving in a constant speed. If the distance time graph is not moving in a straight line, then the object is not moving in a constant speed. If the distance time graph does not show any progress, then the object is at rest. So, you know speedometer and odometer? Do you know, guys, speedometer? What is speedometer? I'll tell you guys. Speedometer measures the speed of the object directly in kilometer per hour. What's odometer? If you know, guys, you should put it in comments. So, odometer measures this distance covered by the object directly in kilometer per hour. So, what is simple pendulum? You know, periodic motion or oscillatory motion. The example is to and from motion of a simple pendulum. What is simple pendulum? Simple pendulum consists of a metallic ball called a bob, which is suspended by a long thread. It is free to move back and forth. Okay guys, there's only this much of my teaching. So we will come in another video. You don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So I'm gonna come in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.